Hello kids, welcome back. In this video, we will begin with lesson number 5 of Living English, that is Alice in Wonderland. Topics that will be covered in this video will be the explanation part and the back exercise of this lesson. Let's begin. Well, on the very first page, a picture puzzle is given to you. This picture is created by mixing 8 animals. You need to identify the body parts and fill the puzzle. Okay? Just try it yourself. Now, let's read. Well, the story is about a little girl named Alice who falls through a hole in the ground and lands in a strange place. Let's read and find that what happens next. Alice was sitting with her sister on the river bank. Well, river bank is the edge of the river. Fine. So Alice was sitting with her sister over there. She was tired of doing nothing. Once or twice, she peeped into the book her sister was reading. The book had no pictures or conversations in it. What is the use of a book without pictures or conversations? Thought Alice. As she was sitting idle, so she was feeling tired and bored. Just to break the monotony, she peeped into her sister's book. But she became disappointed as there were no pictures and conversations in the book which her sister was reading. Children, peeped into means look quickly at something, and conversation means an informal talk between two or more persons. Okay? Now, reading ahead. Suddenly, a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close to her. The rabbit seemed worried. It said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." It took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. So, Alice saw a rabbit who was looking worried and was in a rush. Moreover, he was talking to himself that he should hurry up or he will be late. Later, he took out a watch from the pocket of his waistcoat to check the time. Kids, waistcoat is a short sleeveless jacket. Okay, then Alice jumped to her feet. She had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. She ran across the field after it. She was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under some bushes. So, children, all these things seemed interesting to Alice. She stood up and began to run after the rabbit. Suddenly, the rabbit went down a large hole under some bushes. Fine. Now, the next moment, down went Alice after the rabbit. She never once thought how she would get out again. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some distance, and then dropped down so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. So Alice also jumped into the hole of rabbit, without even thinking how will she come out. Initially, it seemed like a tunnel to her. Then she felt that she is keep on falling down as if it's a deep well. Reading ahead. Either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time to look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next as she went down. She looked at the sides of the well and noticed that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. Okay, so till now Alice has started wondering that what will happen next. While falling down the tunnel, she noticed many cupboards and bookshelves installed on the walls of the hole. Moreover, maps and pictures were also hung upon pegs. Yes, pegs are the small hooks used to hang things on walls. Okay. Then she took down a jar from one of the shelves as she passed by it. It was labeled orange marmalade, but to her great disappointment, it was empty. She managed to put it into one of the cupboards as she fell past it. So, while falling down, her attention was caught by a jar which was labeled as orange marmalade. Orange marmalade is a preserve made from the juice and peels of orange. Okay? But that jar was empty, so Alice became disappointed. So she somehow put it back on some of the shelf. Okay? She landed in a long hall. On a heap of dry leaves, there were doors all around the hall. So now Alice is landed on a group of leaves which is called heap. Then she noticed many doors all around that place. Next is, in the center was a solid glass table on which lay a tiny gold key. Alice soon found that the key fitted into the smallest of the doors. The door opened on to the loveliest garden you ever saw. Well, there she saw a tiny gold key kept on the table which fitted to the smallest door over there. And behind the door there was a lovely garden which anyone had ever seen before. Then, however, she could not even get her head through the doorway. She took the key back to the table, and there she saw a little bottle with the words "Drink me" on it. As the door was tiny enough that Alice could not even get her head out of that door, then she saw a bottle onto which it was written "Drink me." Okay. "I will," said Alice. By the time she had finished the sweet tasting mixture, she was small enough to get through the door. Afterwards, she decided to pick up the key. Alas, no matter how hard she tried, she could not climb up the slippery leg of the table to reach the key. So as soon as Alice finished that mixture, she became small enough to go out of that tiny door. But now she is too small to get the key from the table. She tried hard, but all went in vain. Then the poor little girl was so tired that she began to cry. Then, through her tears, she spied a tiny piece of cake in a glass box with the words "Eat me" on it. "I will," said Alice. And as soon as she ate the cake, she found herself shooting upwards until her head touched the roof. After a while, the White Rabbit appeared. At the sight of her, he dropped his fan and gloves and scurried away. Now Alice is too tired and started crying. From her eyes, full of tears, she noticed a tiny piece of cake in a box, onto which it was written "Eat me." Alice ate it, and her size began to increase a lot. Then, while Rabbit came there and dropped his fan and gloves there and scurried on, which means ran away quickly. Then, "Dear, dear, how very strange everything is today," Alice said, picking up the fan. "I am getting smaller again. I wonder when I will be the right size." So children, now Alice is wondering that how how everything is too strange today. Strange means different from usual, different from routine. Then Alice picked that fan dropped by the rabbit, and her size began to reduce again. She wondered that when she will be of right size now. Alright kids, that's all about the story. The story is adapted from the book named Alice Adventures in Wonderland, written by Lewis Carroll. Alright, now heading towards the back exercise. Before that, there's a request that if you like my videos and find the content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Alright, in part A, you need to tell whether the given statements are true or false. First one is, Alice was sitting with her sister on the riverbank. This is true. The white rabbit took a book out of its waistcoat. That's false. The rabbit took out the watch from the waistcoat. The white rabbit climbed up a tree. That's false. Rather, the rabbit popped down the hole. The jar of orange marmalade was empty. That's true. Alice landed in a long hall on a heap of dry leaves. True. Alice ate a tiny piece of cake and became shorter. That is false. Rather, her size began to increase till her head touched the roof. Fine. Now, next page. In part E, what you have to do? You have to observe the picture and fill in the blanks by choosing correct pair of opposite words from the hell box. So it's like the tea is hot but the juice is cold. Alia's glass is empty but Karan's glass is full. Likewise, just fill rest of the parts too. Then in part F, you need to shorten these given words by adding apostrophe to it. So she is will become she's. Just add apostrophe s. You are will become you apostrophe s, then re, your. I am will become I am. They are, they are. Here is, here's. That is, that's. Fine? Just do it. Now, in part G, what you have to do, you have to find words from the word search that ends with double E and EA. Just do it in the same way as shown. Fine. Then in part H, here also you have to complete these words with double E or EA to make a meaningful word by adding these words, these letters. Now, moving on to part I. Here you have to circle the pronouns in the given sentences. After every sentence, write number in the correct picture that shows the same situation. First one is, pronouns are the words that replace nouns. First is, hi, I am Rohan. I have many friends. Here, I is the pronoun. Just write one in this picture that is given to you here. Write one over here. Then second is Adit is going somewhere. Hi Adit, where are you going? Here you is the pronoun. So this picture relates that situation. Similarly, just try rest of the parts also. Now, heading towards part J. You have to use pronouns to fill the blanks here also. Lara and I are friends. We play together. Children, just remember, when speaker is also included in the sentence with the subject, then we use the pronoun we over there. Here, I is the subject. I is the speaker. Fine? Second, the children are laughing. They are happy. Here, speaker is not included. Only subject is there. That's why they is used. Then, the cat is hungry. It is looking for food. Cat is an animal. So for animals, we use the pronoun it. This is Radha. She loves to write poems. Radha is a female. That's why she is used. This is my cycle. It is new. Cycle is a non-living thing. That's why pronoun it is used here. Well, that's it for this video, kids. Hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching the video.